Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Here, as you can see, we've got the special section System Updates, so let's tap, and here you can learn what kind of updates you've got and which you can download. So here we've got the information about the version number, we've got the information what has been fixed, for example, and basically if you will be able to download a new update, you will have this download icon, or as you can see, restart immediately in order to activate the updated version. If you've got current version applied, then your device will also show you the information that no worries, you're up to date and you don't have to download anything. Basically, this is the section where you can check the updates. Alright, so basically that's all. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.